Hi, I'm here to tell you all you need to know about Quietum Plus. To begin with, what is Quietum Plus? Quietum Plus is a hearing health supplement that blends wholesome ingredients to improve overall ear health. But will Quietum Plus work for you too? How does it work? Are there any side effects? Let's find out everything in this detailed Quietum Plus review. This combination enhances hearing and lowers the risk of age-related hearing impairments, according to the official website. This product is preferable to other options because of its natural composition and premium formulation, which make it completely safe to use and completely reliable. This formula uses natural agents that work with your body's natural processes. Quietum Plus Hearing Health Supplement improves your general ear health in several ways, though individual outcomes may vary. This product enhances blood circulation in and around your ears. The formula makes it possible for blood that is full of nutrients and oxygen to get to your ears and nourish them. Second, the supplement contains antioxidants that protect against free radical damage and lessen oxidative stress, which is the root cause of aging-related hearing loss. Additionally, the Quietum Plus Hearing Health Supplement boosts your immune system. A healthy immune system can fend off illnesses and stop infections that affect not just your ears, but your entire body. As a result, this supplement aims to repair your hearing, while also controlling any damage that has already been done. Based on the various consumer feedback, it appears that most people are pleased with their results. However, if you end up not being satisfied with the product, you are covered by the 60-day money-back guarantee. And last but not least, to make sure you're buying the original product, I'll leave the link to the official Quietum Plus website in the description below. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.